This training course will focus on increasing team performance and the process of duplication, which is key to growing a party plan business. This is not designed to be a one-woman or one-man show where you do a large percentage of the work and others just follow along. So let's launch the Launching New Consultants Effectively training. The key to getting your new consultants out of the gate quickly, specifically in their first 30 days. In most cases, not always, those that get started right away have a greater chance of succeeding than those that don't. We will talk about the process of duplication as well, meaning getting others to do what you do. If you're a leader already, you've probably said, I need more people like me. So let's look at how you can develop those you sponsor to get better odds at that happening. That means sorting through those that just want to sell every so often, those that are satisfied with a few $100s a month, and those that are finding and developing those that want more. I'm going to quickly review the 4 stages of competency, which when you learn can help you to understand what your new consultants and maybe even you at different stages of your business are feeling. Phase 1 is called unconscious incompetence, meaning that you don't know what you don't know. Phase 2 is conscious incompetence. This is where you find out what you don't know. Phase 3 is conscious competence. That's where you know what you don't know. And the last phase, phase 4, is unconscious competence, where you don't even think about it. So let's review each of these phases in more detail. Phase 1, unconscious incompetence, which is you know what you don't know. This is really the phase that people are in when they join, or maybe when they first move into leadership, as an example. They believe that they can be successful with the business with no idea what it takes. And in their minds, they may be thinking, I can't wait till I get started. This looks really easy, a piece of cake to sell this stuff. I could do this without any problem whatsoever. Phase 2 is conscious incompetence. This is where you find out what you don't know. This is the phase when new consultants realize that it's going to be harder than they expected. They realize there's work involved and not everybody is jumping on board to buy, host, or join. They don't realize that training is what's going to get them past this phase, and maybe they really aren't willing to do what it takes to be successful. So in this phase, they may be saying to themselves, I really don't know how to book a party. I saw myself building a team, but I just don't know how. I'm not sure how to share samples. They may even be saying, what did I get myself into? This is the phase where you lose people. They jump in, they seem excited, and then they hit that wall. They stop calling you back, they stop messaging you, they just seem to disappear. Phase 3 is conscious competence, where you know what you don't know. So this is where they learn and practice all they can by attending meetings, trainings, company events, of course, making reunion a priority, and by doing parties or activities to get them in front of more people. So they know what to do, and they're putting their knowledge to good use, and realize that they need training and try to focus on specific areas to develop their skill set. This is what we call the sweet spot. This is when they realize that they don't know, but see that training and engaging in what's offered is going to help them learn. They understand, at least subliminally, that training is key and that anything they need to know, they can learn. Phase 4 is unconscious competence. This is where you don't even think about it. So at this stage, you know when you leave for a party or an event that you're confident about your sales, you're comfortable with presenting the business opportunity, or at least getting very close to that, and you really know how the business works in general. You do and say things just automatically, which will bring you the desired results. And it takes time and effort to reach this stage. But when you get there, it's like driving your car the way you do today, very easily and very naturally. This brings section 1 to a close.